Hello children, today we are going to do Comprehension 2. As I have already explained you that comprehension means to understanding text or passage. So let's start Comprehension 2. So it is read the passage about Kalpana Chawla and answer the questions that follow. So children, through comprehension you can learn many things like your reading skill or understanding skill, not listening skill, writing skill, everything will get enhanced. And through this passage you can also learn about Kalpana Chawla. Whenever anyone can ask you about Kalpana Chawla, you can easily tell them about her. So let's read the passage here. The first Indian woman to travel in the space was Kalpana Chawla. She was born on March 17th, 1962 in Karnal. She was fascinated with stars, planets and space. She studied aeronautical engineering in Punjab. She moved to the United States in 1982 to obtain a Master of Science degree in aerospace engineering from the University of Texas. She continued high studies. In 1994, she was selected for NASA's astronaut training program. In 1988, she began working at the NASA Ames Research Center. Later, she joined NASA Astronaut Corps in March 1995 and was selected for her first flight in 1996. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian woman and second Indian person to fly in the space, following cosmonaut Rakesh Sharma who flew in 1984. On her second mission to space, she flew in the Space Shuttle Columbia. Their team conducted several successful experiments during their stay in the space. On February 1st, 2003, while returning, the space shuttle exploded just 16 minutes before landing, and all the astronauts in the shuttle were killed. It was a tragic moment for India. So, children, we have learned the passage. Now we will do the question answer. Question number one is, when and where was Kalpana Chawla born? So let's read the passage once again. The first Indian woman to travel in the space was Kalpana Chawla. She was born on March 17, 1962 in Karnal. So we got the answer. Okay. So here, children, in comprehension 1, I have written everything. I have written the answers also. But now you might have learned how to write answers. You can take care of tenses now. So you can write the answer on your own. When and where was Kalpana Chawla born? So you can write Kalpana Chawla was born on March 17, 1962 in Karnal. See children, first time when I was reading very slowly because I have to or you have to understand the passage also so that you can answer the questions easily. And second time when you are doing question answer, you read the passage very fast. Fine. Question number 2 is, why did she study aeronautical engineering? So read from the fourth line. He was fascinated with stars, planets and space. And the reason is, children, this is the only reason. And after that, it's written she studied aeronautical engineering in Punjab. So what is the answer? She studied aeronautical engineering. See children, study will change into studied, because question is in past tense. So she studied aeronautical engineering because she was fascinated with stars, planets and space. Now question number 3 is, from where did she do her post graduation? So let's read the next line. She moved to the United States in 1982 to obtain a Master of Science degree in aerospace engineering from the University of Texas. So you have to know that it is written Master of Science degree, that is only post graduation. So again the answer is from the question is, from where did she do her post graduation? So answer is the United States. So how will you write? She, it's written she do her post graduation, so do will change into did. She did her post graduation from the United States. Now last question is, when was she selected for NASA's astronaut training program? So again let's read. She continued higher studies. In 1994 she was selected for NASA's astronaut training program. So this is the only question. So the answer is 1994. But how will you write? So you will write, like question is when was she selected? So you will write she was selected in 1994 for NASA's astronaut training program. Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number 5 is complete the lines. So who was the first Indian to fly in the space in 1984? So you come to the first paragraph and last line. He was Rakesh Sharma. So you can fill in the blanks. Now Kalpana Chawla joined NASA astronaut corps in. Okay. See children, here paragraph, first paragraph, last fifth line. And children, it should not be crops here, it should be corps. Okay, and answer is 1995 March. So you can write Kalpana Chawla joined NASA astronaut corps in March 1995. Question number 3 is the name of this space shuttle was. So come to the next paragraph, you will find the answer. Its name was Columbia. So just write Columbia in question number 3. And question number 4 is the space shuttle exploded on. So you will see second paragraph, third line, on February 1st, 2003, just 16 minutes before landing. Now you have to find the past form of study. So come to, yes, see, number 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth line. The past tense of study is studied. You have to find from the passage and you have to write. The next one is begin. So begin is, yes, here last sixth line, seventh line. Okay, begin will change into began and fly will change into flew. Last paragraph number 1, last line, flew. And the last one is move. So the past tense of move is moved. So children, past tense is very easy. You no need to find from the passage. You can write on your own. So I hope you have understood how to read and how to write, how to frame answers. That's all for today, children. We will meet for comprehension 3 in my next video. That's all for today, children. Thank you.